Have you ever thought about controlling your own time? The freedom of choosing when to work, where to work, and even if you want to work at all. Welcome to the world of financial independence, where you can take control of your life and time by generating residual passive income. There are two primary paths to achieve this: investing in cash flow, producing assets, and building a home-based networking business. Both options have their own unique advantages and challenges. Let's delve deeper, shall we? Cash flow. Producing assets are investments that generate a steady income over time. These can be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a side business. The key here is that these assets produce a steady stream of income, regardless of whether you're actively working or not. It's like having a money tree in your backyard. You plant the seed, nurture it, and eventually it starts bearing fruit. On the flip side, these investments often require a significant upfront capital and carry a risk. The market can be unpredictable, and there's always a chance that your investment might not yield the expected return. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with careful planning and smart choices, it can be a reliable source of income. On the other hand, a home-based networking business is a venture where you build and grow your own network of clients, partners, or affiliates. The beauty of this model is that it allows you to start small, often with minimal initial investment. It's a business model that rewards perseverance, people skills, and creativity. However, it's important to note that building a successful home-based networking business is not a walk in the park. It requires dedication, patience, and the ability to motivate and manage a team. And unlike cash flow producing assets, your income is directly tied to your efforts. You need to be actively involved to keep the business thriving. So which path should you take? Well, that largely depends on your individual circumstances, your risk tolerance, and your personal preferences. Investing in cash flow producing assets might be preferable if you have some capital to spare and are comfortable taking calculated risks. It can provide a more hands-off approach to generating passive income. On the other hand, if you're starting from scratch, or if you enjoy building relationships and leading a team, then a home-based networking business might be a better fit. It's a more hands-on approach, but it can also provide a sense of accomplishment and personal growth. In conclusion, both investing in cash flow producing assets and building a home-based networking business are viable paths to financial independence. They offer the promise of residual passive income, allowing you to control your own time. The choice between the two depends on your personal circumstances and preferences. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, planning, and perseverance. But the reward, the freedom to control your own time, is well worth the effort. So take the first step today and start building your path to financial independence. Thank you for tuning in.